So first question that we are going to start today is from the year 2018. Elaborate the various forms of Dalit assertion in the contemporary India and what are its implications on the Indian political system. So let us start with the introduction. In the intro we will write, until about the 4 decades ago, the Dalits would meekly surrender to wishes of so-called upper caste, okay, in matters such as political, economic and social and political. Now something this is no longer true. We can say that access to higher education and professional education has enabled horizontal and vertical mobility, social and economic mobility. I hope we all know what is mobility, since your sociology has a separate syllabus point called as mobility. So the question is, elaborate various forms of Dalit assertion and in contemporary India and what are its implications on Indian political system. So specifically political system is asked, and elaborate. What is the meaning of elaborate? Elaborate means to give detail about something. It is a dictionary term. Dictionary says to give details about something. So introduction is over. I think that until 4 decades ago, Dalits would meekly surrender to the wishes of so-called upper caste in matters like economic, social and political, and this is no longer true. And access to higher education and professional education have given mobility. Okay. Now this had led to the creation of class of writers, professionals, administrators and entrepreneurs within Dalit community. Class of writers, professionals, entrepreneurs within Dalit community. So question asking is various forms of Dalit assertion, but we have to explain in the background why there is Dalit assertion, because there is a mobility and also a creation of class of writers within Dalit community. Elaborate means give detail about something. So various forms of Dalit assertion. So Ambedkar's movement of Dalit liberation. This created a sense of confidence and assertion. Confidence and assertion, and empowered. I think empowered is a wrong word. And this led to overcome their traditional feelings of defeatism. Okay, so Dalit literature played an important role in sharpening the confidence. Definitely, the Dalit literature played important role in sharpening their confidence. This actually challenged the age-old hierarchical system. So, elaborate question in various forms of Dalit assertion. Elaborate in good detail about something. In how many places we have seen the Dalit assertion? We have few examples of Dalit assertion contemporary time. Dalit assertion can be seen in various pockets like Hyderabad Central University, suicide of Marmula. Hyderabad Central University, suicide of Rohit Vemula, because he faced caste-based discrimination definitely and protest. Following this, now another thing is we can see Dalit assertion in Jignesh Mewani, mobilization of thousands of Dalits, especially his movement or awareness campaign against manual scavenging. What did we say? Sewage cleaning and other menial jobs which were traditionally given to or forced upon Dalits. Another mobilization of young lawyer Chandrasekhar and Bhim Army at Jantar Mantar in National Capital Territory. Jantar Mantar in National Capital Territory. So these are the elaborate various forms of Dalit assertion in the contemporary India. We have told in intro that 5 decades ago something was very different. Then we told that this is no longer true because of the economic mobility and creation of class of the Dalit community, such as writers, professionals, and entrepreneurs. Writers, professionals, and the